Want to transform your data from a confusing jumble into a visually stunning story? Let's dive into creating effective and visually appealing pie charts in Tableau. First, connect to your data source in Tableau on using the sample Superstar dataset, which comes preloaded with Tableau, but yours might be an Excel file, a database, or something else entirely. Drag a dimension containing categories, like category from your data pane, to the columns shelf. Then, drag a measure, like sales, to the rows shelf. Now, under marks, select the pie chart option. Tableau will automatically create a basic pie chart. Drag your dimension pill to the color in the marks card to give each category unique color. Next, drag your measure pill to angle in the marks card to slice the pie based on the proportional value of sales. Click on Label in the marks card to customize the labels. You can add the category name and display the percentage of total each slice represents by using the percent of total quick table calculation. This makes the chart easier to read. To enhance visual appeal, click on Color in the marks card to edit the colors. Choose a color palette that makes sense for your data, or even match your company's brand. Be mindful of using too many colors, which can make the chart hard to interpret. Remember, pie charts are best for showing parts of a whole with a limited number of categories, typically less than 5 or 6. If you add many categories, consider bar chart or a different visualization type to avoid clutter and ensure clarity. And that's it. You've now created an effective pie chart in Tableau. Experiment with different measures, dimensions, and formatting options to tell the most compelling story with your data. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tableau tips and tricks.